If you ever have a table saw that you have a problem with, say your stuff sticks and it won't go anywhere, well, you know, we all have eventually in our showers a little piece of soap. And that little piece of soap usually gets tossed or whatnot. We'll take it out to the shop. I put soap on the back side of this. I'll put soap down the tracks and across the tabletop. Since this is not any kind of steel tabletop, I'm not worried about it. It's some kind of plasticky whatnot, I think. I don't know. It's a whatchamacallit. But now, when you put that on, it just slides nice and easy back and forth. I barely have to put any pressure on it. Previously, it was binding up and catching because it was dragging against the surface. So now I've got a little bit of soap on there, and that's what an old piece of soap is good for.